Hey guys, what's up? I'm Nikhil from Motion Magic, and in this video we are gonna create this map animation inside of After Effects without using any 3D setting. Yes, it looks like we are using any 3D settings, but we are not. Also, in the process of creating this map animation, we are gonna learn a lot of creative things that you can use in any other of your projects. Also, you can download the project file using the link in the description below to follow along or just use it as a template. So now let's get started. For creating this map animation, we are going to need firstly the map itself. Secondly, we need a location pin. And third, we need a texture. You can download all of this using the link in the description below. So now create a new composition by clicking on the map and create a new composition from the map itself. Then drag and drop the map, the texture layer, scale it up like so. Here we go. And then change the blend mode to multiply. Then search for an effect called texturize. Drag and drop this. Then change the texture layer to the map texture layer of the that we have entered in the timeline. So now we have this. Then add an adjustment layer, new adjustment layer. And then search for curves. You can search it from there, but I'm using a FX Console plugin, which is by the way free. Curves. Here we have it. And increase the brightness. So now we have it. And also we can go to the map animation map and increase the texture contrast like so. So this is looking good. So now we are done with the map. Now we are going to create the in point and out point of the locations. So for this, let's suppose we want to go from Canada to my nation, which is India. So click on the pen tool and decrease this to around 20. You can size this as per your needs. So firstly we'll click here and then we go to India and now we click here, but now it doesn't look that good. We don't want this to be straight. So what we'll do is alt click on this and this is the convert to vertex tool and then just curve this like so. So this is looking good to me. I think we can bring it to around 12. So 12 is fine. So now we have this. Then we just center the anchor point by double clicking on this pan behind tool. Then we can search and drop shadow, add this, increase this like so, and duplicate this one more time. And then just increase the softness. So here we have it. Then we can just go to this shape layer and search for dash. So, and enable the dash. Also change the cap to round cap, but cap it is a round cap. So now we have this, and also we can go to the dash and increase this. So this is looking good to me. You can tweak as per your needs. So now we are done with this. We are going to add a trim path to this. So click on the trim path by clicking on this add button, and then bring down the end point to 0 and click on the stopwatch to animate this. Now we'll go forward to 1 second and then just bring it all the way to 100 itself. So now you can see, I'll just bring this down to half. So now you can see we have a good animation, a simple good animation. So that looks good to me. Now we are going to add our pin, location pin. Just drag and drop this and bring the size in whatever way you like. I mean, I like this way. I think this is good. And this is good. This size is good. And then we can just duplicate this by hitting Ctrl+D. And then just drag and drop this like here. But here's the trick. Now it doesn't look any 3D or something like that. So just click on search effect called basic 3D. And then we can just, now you can see, we can tilt this. We can change the X and Y axis. Also, you can click on the rotation tab, R for rotation, and then just drag it as per your liking. I think this is good. So this is good. Same will do for here. I think this is good. We don't need any 3D settings to be on, but let's just do it, tweak it a little bit. So now we have it. It is the first pin is like here, and the second pin is around 1 second after that. So now click on this, hit on the S to scale it up and go forward to 12 frames and click on this again and then go forward to 4 seconds and now click on this. Now go back to the first stopwatch and keyframe and just bring it to 0. Go to the second frame and increase it a little and there you have it. This is a good animation. Now it doesn't look good, but firstly we can click Y on our keyboard to on the anchor point tool, where behind tool, and make the anchor point to the bottom of the pin. So now we have it, and then just click on this, hit F9 to ease them, and then go just a deeper. And this is the graph editor. So now we can create something like this. The slope is creating the animation. So by the way, I explained how this animation works in my channel. So you can watch this tutorial as well. So now it is looking pretty good to me. So now that we have it, I don't reanimate this animation, this same animation. I just Control-C copy this and go to this. Also click on this pan behind tool and we'll bring the anchor point right over here. Also the location is somewhere around here. And then we can just paste this. Wait, hit Control-C and hit Control-V. So now we have it, basic animation. Now hit U to see the keyframes of this, and then when this animation ends, this pin animation, then we start the timeline, this line animation, and when it ends, then we start this animation. So now it looks simple, basic, and there we have it. Then we can add a drop shadow to this, and here the drop shadow, and just distance like so, and this is looking good to me. And we can just copy this and paste it to this as well. We'll just need to change the direction of this. So here we have it. This is the basic animation. Now it doesn't look that interesting, but we can make this interesting. So now we have this. We can just click all of those layer and hit recompose, right? And then we can just scale this up like so. Scale this up like so and search for basic 3D effect and click on the scale button, position button, rotation button, swivel button, and tilt button, stopwatch I would say. And then when it ends, here we have it. Just go right over here, something like that. We need to scale this up a little bit more. So now we have this. Don't worry about the resolution. Now it is half. You can make it full as well. So now I'm working on a half for Asha Pure View. So now you can see it is right, something like that. And on the starting, we place the position to where is the first point? So here, Canada. So now you can see we have this, but now doesn't it look that much interesting. We can just hit G for this pen tool and curve this like so. So now it looks a little bit interesting, but we can make this more interesting by just tweak this settings as per your liking. This is looking good to me. Also rotate this if you want to. I will rotating this just like so. And now when we reach here, we can also rotate this as per our liking. Maybe we can rotate something like that, change it around like so, like so. So here we have it. Now we can just hit F9 and make this smooth. So here we have it. And one more thing that you can do is go inside of this and apply, first create a new adjustment layer and then apply the fast box blur. Increase this like so. So here we have it. And then click on this mask button and create something like this. And then hit invert. So we are creating a depth map kind of thing, and hit F on the keyboard and increase the feather like something like this. This is good. This is good. Also, we can make those things a little bit darker by applying a curves effect. Don't worry, whatever things we do, it is limited to the mask. It doesn't appear inside of the mask. So now when we see this, EU. Here we go. So that is all for this video. I hope you find this video informative. If yes, then make sure that you like this video. Also, you can subscribe my channel for more such kind of videos. And also you can comment any of the topic that you want that I have to cover. So yeah, I will catch you in the next tutorial.